welcome back to my videos, guys. How are you doing, my viewers, my subscribers? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for bigging up my channel. Thank you for loving up my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. You make my days, you make my months, you make my year. It's a blessing. Thank you very much. And remember, guys, to put God first in everything. All right, love you guys. Today I'm going to brown stew some chicken. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Over here, guys, I already washed my chicken and seasoned my chicken. So these are my seasoning that I use: some salt, some Maggi seasoning that we use back in Jamaica. Over here too we use Maggi seasoning, and we have some slap your mama, and I have some ginger. This is all I put on my meat. All right, so it already seasoned and everything. Okay, you can see. So I'm going to brown it first and then I cook it down. So I'm going to show you how I cook my chicken. I was going to bake it, but then I changed my mind. So what I do, I'm going to take the seasoning off it. You can see not much seasoning I put on it. Like my scallion, my onion, sweet pepper, that's what I put on it. And you put whatever season you want on yours, or you put whatever spice you want on yours. Okay, so I put my pot on the stove already, so it's what the oil is getting hot. So these are my meat here. Okay, guys, my viewers, and I love you so much. I love you, my viewers and my subscribers. I love you. All right, so I'm going to put this in the pot, and then so let me show you what I'm doing. You can see. Oh, I have some more here. Guys, if it might be a splash on you. You see? I'm going to brown stew. And then I throw off my oil. And what I do, I wash off the oil after I brown stew it. No, I don't want a lot of oil in it. So I always wash off my meat. Throw away the oil. Wash off my meat. The season is falling out. Okay. So watch the process as I go. It's going to get its color now. You can see? Alright. And my viewers and my subscribers, if it was not you, I would have reached so far. But because of you, my family, my subscribers and my viewers, that's why I'm able to reach so far. Alright, blessing upon you. And for those who make a comment, blessing. Please tell a friend to tell another friend to make a comment, and tell them to subscribe to my channel, where I do some wonderful, tasteful cooking over here. Alright, so watch the process. Continue watching my videos. Tell a friend about Any Family TV. Alright, and I also do family talk on my channel. You can see, stay there when you get this color. So watch the process. Continue watching my videos, bigging up my videos. Alright, so watch it as I go. You can see it's getting a little color here. Alright, it's getting its color. Alright, You can see my chicken getting its color now, guys. My viewers and my subscribers. It's getting a little color now. Alright? And you can put some coconut milk in it to make it a bit nicer. Alright? May put your seasoning. Whatever seasoning you want to put in it, you can see. Alright, getting a nice color here. This is how I cook my chicken. Sometimes I fry it, sometimes I brown stew it. So continue watching the process of my chicken. Alright. Next time I'm going to show you how I bake my chicken. And guys, all of this oil, I'm going to throw it off. I'm just trying to give it some color here. Alright. Alright, you see? Okay. Thank you guys. Tell me where you're watching me from. Alright. And let me know how you do your chicken. Okay. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. As you can see, my chicken is getting its color. You can see? Alright. And the season that when I season with it, I just throw it in. Alright. I just throw it behind the scene. Okay. So I have 2 Irish here. I'm going to peel it and put it in. Okay. So watch the process. I'm going to dip some water in it now. And it's warm water. So I'm going to peel my Irish. I'm going to peel the Irish. Okay. Like this. And you cut it in whatever shape you want to cut. Okay. Whatever way you want to peel it, cut it, you can like this. I'm not going to cut them big. I'm going to wash them now. You can cook properly, just a little. See, I'm going to wash. So I'm going to put that in now. And if you have carrot, as I say, you can put carrot in it, you can put Irish, whatever little food you have where you want to cook it. Cook whatever you want to cook in it. Okay, so I have my Irish here. I'm cooking my Irish in it. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. It's coming on, guys. It's coming on. And you put whatever spice you want in it, whatever sauce you want in it. Okay, it's getting this color. Okay, just have a few more seconds and then I'll be finished. And my viewers and my subscribers, let me use the biggest spoon. This is my finished product now. is getting its color. And you put whatever spice you want to put in it. If you want it spicy, you can see I'm going to put a piece of tomato in it. I have some tomato here. I'm going to put it in it. Add some tomato here. You can see. Salt. If you want to put carrot, you put carrot. Alright, so this is my finished product now. Alright. And again, I say thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for bigging up my channel. Thank you for subscribing. You're my family, you're my friends, you're everything to me. You make my channel growing. And I must appreciate your love, your goodness. Alright, bless it upon your life every time. Alright, so this is my finished product now. My viewers and my subscribers. It's brown stew chicken. Normally I don't use a lot of oil, but I was just trying something. So what I always do is just throw off the oil. Too much oil was in it, so I throw off the oil and just cook it down with water. Alright? Next time I'm going to show you how I bake my chicken. This is my finished product. You can see? Brown stew chicken. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. And it takes like a 3/4 hour to cook. Alright, and depends on the texture or how soft you want it or what. Okay, so this is my finished product. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.